Good afternoon. How can I help you today?
Hi, I'd like to return this sweater. I bought it last week, but it doesn't fit.
I see. Do you have the receipt with you?
Yes, I have it right here.
Thank you. Was there anything wrong with the sweater, or is it just the size?
Just the size. I like the color and the fabric, but the sleeves are too tight.
That's understandable. Would you like to exchange it for a different size?
I checked already, but they didn't have a medium in this color.
Ah, I see. In that case, would you prefer store credit or a full refund?
A refund, please. I'm trying not to spend too much this month.
Of course. How did you pay? Credit card or cash?
I used my credit card.
Great. Then the refund will go directly back to your card. It usually takes 3 to 5 business days.
That's fine. I appreciate your help.
No problem at all. Let me just process this return. One moment. Okay, it's done. You'll receive a confirmation email shortly.
Thank you. This was a lot easier than I expected.
I'm glad to hear that. And by the way, we're getting new fall styles next week, if you're interested.
Oh, that's tempting. I might come back just to browse.
We'd love to see you again. And don't forget, members get early access on Thursday.
Good to know. I'll think about signing up.
Sounds good. Have a great rest of your day.
You too. Thanks again.